Ideas! Welcome back to another Christmas video. December has arrived and soon it will be Christmas. And this year, I have got a bunch of parties to attend as well as hosting a big Christmas Eve dinner for my family. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you my stay in control system. Seriously, you need to be super organized to ensure that you do not get overwhelmed. So I'm also showing you my holiday planner where I write everything down. This includes the different events I'll be attending and hosting, including the RSVP date, gifts and dress code requirements, and what I plan to take if it is a potluck, for example. For ideas on host and hostess gifts, you might want to watch my dollar store gift boxes. I will leave you the link in the description box below. So I'm hosting or co-hosting 4 events this month. This includes a potluck dinner at my friend's house, a Christmas Eve dinner and Christmas Day brunch in my own house. So accordingly, I've used my planner to make a list of all the dishes I'm preparing and a grocery list for all the ingredients I'll be needing. I'm also doubling up on some of these ingredients to try them out ahead of time so that they're perfect on the day. I will definitely be sharing all these menus with you, so make sure that you are subscribed to this channel to make sure you don't miss out on any of my videos. So my first step is to go to the grocery store and start picking up all the items on my grocery list. I know many people enjoy ordering groceries online. I do too. But at times like these, I enjoy browsing through the store, looking for my items and my options. These ingredients I'm buying today are ones that I can keep and also prep in advance. So this is my Christmas grocery haul. For sundries, I have stuffing, which I will use as croutons, cornmeal and panko breadcrumbs. I also bought a bunch of vegetables. I have some zucchini, carrots, pumpkins, broccoli, cauliflower, fresh white button mushrooms, heirloom tomatoes which look lovely in a pasta salad, chives and scallions. I also have frozen peas, potatoes and white onions. My dairy products include milk, cream, condensed milk, white chocolate, salted and unsalted butter, buttermilk and whipped cream. I'm also putting all the items I need for my movie night snacks together with a few other things in here. This includes some wafers, bow tie farfalle, confectioner's sugar, sliced almonds, pretzels, kettle popcorn, and some cake mix for my cupcakes. I also have a loaf of bread for the bread pudding and gold and silver sprinkles. Among these things are some secret ingredients for my hot cocoa, so do stay tuned for that. I also stopped by at my favorite butchery and bought a ham, a few different types of sausages and lots of bacon. We can also enjoy these for breakfast. For those items that need refrigeration, I used a bigger basket for putting all these items in. I do not mix these items with my ingredients for my daily cooking. If you would like to see a video on how I organize my fridge for the holidays, leave me a comment below. Another thing that I want to share is my white dish haul. My daughter offered to take me to this shop she found. It is some sort of a thrift shop which sells all sorts of items bought from hotels. They have some really good stuff and I plan to go back for more. But for now, I bought these gorgeous soup bowls at only $2 a piece. I love the fact that they come with these beautiful lids. And I also bought this large dish for our Christmas ham. This was $6 only. And I also got these 2 large bowls. These will make perfect serving dishes for curries. I'm not sure if I'll be using these for Christmas, but for $4 a piece, I had to get these. Next, I want to share my monthly calendar for December. I invite my friends and family, and they invite us. I need to know what I'll be serving. I need to know what prep I'll be doing for the main day. It's all here. I was considering including my menu plan for my own meals here, but I decided to use this only for my Christmas planning. My system for meal planning works just fine. I hope you've gotten some tips on how to organize for a stress-free Christmas. After all, it's all about being jolly and having fun with the family. So have fun, my lovelies, and until the next video, this is Ravina saying happy homemaking.